Let's get up and go DMV. Cash in on your commutes from April 1st through May 15th by joining the goDMV Commuter Competition. A fun and free challenge brought to you by Commuter Connections and powered by the Commuter Cash App. Top the leaderboards and score chances to win great prizes by traveling anytime, anywhere in the DMV or by teleworking. You can even earn rewards points redeemable for cash when commuting during peak hours and for completing fun challenges. Join by downloading the Commuter Cash App and tapping the goDMV Join Now button. Climb the goDMV leaderboards by logging all trips taken through May 15th using the Commuter Cash App. Just select how you're traveling and where you're going. Then tap the Start button and you're on your way. The app will end your trip when you reach your destination, and your points will be added to your goDMV leaderboard totals. So let's go DMV. Cash in on your sustainable commutes during the free goDMV Commuter Competition happening April 1st through May 15th. For more information, visit godmv.org.